Hello, good morning, my dear students. This is Dhiru sir, your English teacher. So, welcome to the online classes of Sri Eknath Rao Khadse Talent English Middle School, Muktanagar. So, dear students, today we are going to discuss fifth chapter of English Grammar of 6th Standard, which is came from Learn Well textbook. Okay, the lesson name is Determiners. Okay, the lesson name is Determiners. So actually determinants means what? It is a word that comes before a noun. Determines what? The word which is comes before noun and its source, its limit. It is also an adjective and some determinants are given for you: a, and, the, all, both, this, that, my, your, some, any, is, every, little, few, many, much, and a lot of. So these all are different types of determiners. So now one by one you are going to use what is the difference between other words and according to the word how it will use and which case what type of word you are going to use. You also know in your previous classes different type of determiners. Okay, determinant words you also use many terms in a adjective or in a pronoun or in a adverbs. Okay, so these all are determinant words will come. The previous classes also have discussed about the adverbs and we have discussed about the adjective. Okay, so definitely in this way definitely you may you also well familiar with the determiners. So first we are going to discuss about some or any. Some, any. Just to keep in mind, what is the difference between some or any? Generally, some is used in a affirmative sentence, while any is used in a negative sense or any questions mark. For example, if you say, this is only for affirmative and this is only for negative and questions. Example just to see. I will take first some example. I have some money. I have some money. If I will make negative sentence, so we should not use some. In place of some, what we have to use? I have not any money. I have not any money. The same things if you make questions. So what do you say? Do I have any money? Do I have any money? So when you're making negative sense and when you're going to make interrogative sentence any questions, so at that time we have to use any. Only affirmative sentence. I have some money. He has some money. It has some birds. The tree has some birds. I have some things. So at that time when you are making affirmative sentence, any assertive sentence, at that time we have to use only some. But in the same sentence, if you make changing into questions, or if you want to changing into negative sense, so at the time it will changing into any. Okay, understand what is the use of some and any? Now we are going to discuss another. Now another we are going to discuss much, many, a lot of. much, many, a lot of. Okay, much, many, a lot of. Generally, much will be used for uncountable. It is used for uncountable. It is used for many, used for countable, and it is a lot of use for a group. This is used for a group. What is used for? A lot of is used for a group. Okay, so in this way, three things we are going to use in a different way. So let's go with an example. We are going to learn this. For example, generally when making the word used much, making the questions, how many oranges do you have? How many? So it's uncountable. Are you getting my point? Next questions are given. We do not have many oranges. We had a lot of orange. Means not many, lot of. How much cheese is there in the fridge? There was a lot of cheese in the fridge. Are you understanding what I am saying? Countable purpose you are using much, many, and uncountable purpose you are using much, and a large group of quantity purpose you are using a lot of. So those things keep your mind. Now we are going to discuss a few, a little, enough. Understand? Much is used for uncountable, many is used for countable, and lot of is used for a group of things. Okay? Now we are going to discuss few, a little. Here also same. A few, a little, and enough. Enough. Few, little, a little, enough. Few is used for countable. A little is used for uncountable. And enough is used for countable as well as uncountable. It is used for countable as well as uncountable also. Understand? Do you understand or not? A few means it is used for only countable. I have few mangoes, I can say it. Uncountable, I have little water. I have a few mangoes. Little, I have a little water. The same things say. So here I have enough water. So you can use in the three process. First, only it is used for countable. Second things, it is used for only uncountable. And third things, you can use in a countable or you can use in a uncountable. There is nothing any problems. Okay. So next we are going to discuss other part. The other part is, now we'll discuss what is the difference between few and little. What is the difference between few and little? So let us see. Few or little. Generally, few is used for adjective of number and little is used for adjective of quantity. Okay. Few, adjective of number, while little used for adjective of quantity. Did you understand what is this? So in this way we can use. So different the meaning of few and the few. So in this way, elaborate. First we will doing these things. Few. So let us see. Few first will come few, a few, the few, a few and the few. Generally listen to me. Few, first few, this is used for negative sense. This is used for negative sense. A few is used for affirmative or assertive sentence, and the few is used for two statement, one negative and another one is affirmative. This the form you can use in a negative sense or you can use in affirmative sense. For example, it has given for you, see, it is used in the sense of not many. Few, it is used in the sense of not many. जहाँ पे हम not many यूज कर सकते हैं वहाँ पे हमें few भी लगा सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, at least some. अफर्मेटिव इसमें क्या यूज होता? at least some. at least some जगह पे आप a few भी आप डाल सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, it indicates not much but all of the number. It is used for not much. इस जगह पे आप not much भी, not much जगह पे आप the few भी लगा सकते. Understand? Now we are going to discuss second part, that is little. The same things you have to use process. कैसा? देखो चलो. Little. Next, a little. Next, the little. Little, a little, the little. So let me discuss a little, where it is used. The same things. A little is used for negative, a little used for negative, a little used for affirmative, and the little is used for the same way. What that? Two sentence, one negative and one other is affirmative sentence. Negative sentence and affirmative sentence. So here what happening? Little means they are given not many. Yes or not? Here what happening? Not much. Here not much. Next given, here given same, at least some, at least some जगह पे a little भी आप लिख सकते. और next not much but of that quantity, the same things, not much of quantity. So in this way you can make it little or little, the little. So little means not much, few means not many. That things you have to keep in mind. Few, not many. I have many books. I have many books. If I make questions, I have few books. Okay, I have not few books. So in this way you can use all the things. Now we are going to discuss the another part, that is just to discuss this with example. Okay, example, look at the following sentence. He had little milk. He had little milk. If you make questions, what do you say? He, so make negative. He had not much milk. He had not much milk. Did you understand? So like that, he had a little milk. He had a little milk. What the answer will come, means when you make negative, he had not at least milk, at least some milk, at least some milk. So are you getting my point? Means little place, much, a little place, at least some. Okay, the same things, another sentence that is given for you. He drank the little milk. So in this case you can use interrogative sentence, negative sentence, or you can use affirmative sentence also. He did not have much milk and he drank all of it. So what do you say? He did not have much milk and he drank it, and he drank it. So in this way you can use the sentence in different way. Next, the sentences imply two statements. One is negative, another one is affirmative. He did not have much milk, he drank all the milk he had. Understand? So dear students, I hope you understand these lessons clearly and properly. So in the next class we are going to discuss the another lessons, that is correlative conjunctions. Okay, so till then keep watching. Bye bye.